I'm Katie Biddle, Head of Customer Experience and Marketing with Call Dad HVAC. We have 9 locations across the Carolinas, both north and south. We also have a small electrical division. I've been in the trades 21 years and with Call Dad since 2022. Where are you getting your leads from? What return are you getting on them? And tracking that is so critical to the success of a business. And if you don't know your numbers and you don't know how to react to your numbers, you're basically driving a car blind and you're gonna wreck into something. We run automated campaigns behind unsold estimates. We have automated the reports into an Excel spreadsheet, which tracks our run rate by lead source, our close rate by lead source, our cancellation rate by lead source, and that's very helpful because then we can pivot and dig in to see exactly why we're not capturing the business. With Marketing Pro, we can just add our spend into the campaign directly, and it will populate by day how much we spend. We'll do A/B tests between our strongest brand presence market and our greenfield market. Marketing Pro gives us the ability to see what works in a new market, what doesn't work in a new market. It helps us eliminate waste in our ad spend moving forward as we expand.